No rush, no flights, just a quiet overnight journey to the hills. Why waste a day traveling when you can reach by morning? Coimbatore welcomed us by cool air, quiet streets, a fresh start. First stop was for breakfast, and then we began the climb. From here, it's 85 kilometers to Ooty, with winding roads, mist, and endless green waiting ahead. And just like that, we arrived in Ooty. The air feels lighter, cooler, and everything slows down. Our first stop was Ooty Lake. Right in the heart of the town, this place has a charm of its own. You can take a quiet boat ride or just sit by the water and watch the world pass by. The sound of paddles, the cool breeze, and the hills reflecting on the lake, this is where the trip truly begins. From the calm of the lake, we head higher to Doddabetta. Located about 10 kilometers from Ooty, this is the highest peak in the Nilgiris, standing at around 2,637 meters above sea level. From the top, you get a panoramic view of the surrounding forests and valleys, stretching endlessly in every direction. Then we made our way to one of Ooty's most loved experiences, the Benchmark Tea and Chocolate Factory. Known for its locally made chocolate and fresh Nilgiri tea, this place is a treat for both taste and aroma. As you step in, the rich smell of cocoa and tea fills the air. They walk you through the entire tea-making process, starting from freshly plucked green leaves, which are first withered to remove moisture, then rolled to release natural flavors, followed by oxidation that gives tea its color and strength, and finally dried and sorted into different grades. This transformation from leaf to cup makes every sip feel more special and informative. You can see how different varieties of chocolate are made, sample a few, and pick your favorites to take back home. From classic milk chocolate to unique flavors, there's something for everyone. It's not just a stop, it's a little indulgence in the middle of the hills. From the aroma of tea and chocolate, we continue deeper into the Nilgiris to Pykara Lake. Located about 20 kilometers from Ooty, this serene lake is surrounded by dense forests and hills. Known for its calm waters and untouched beauty, it feels far more peaceful and less crowded. From the calm waters of Pykara, we move into a completely different landscape, the pine tree forest. Located along the road between Ooty and Pykara, this place is known for its tall, straight pine trees lined up endlessly, creating a surreal, almost cinematic feel. Walking through the forest, the ground is covered with dry pine needles, and the light filters beautifully through the trees. It's a popular shooting spot, and you can actually feel why. Every frame here looks like a movie scene. Quiet, slightly mysterious, and incredibly scenic, this is one of those places where you just slow down and soak in the atmosphere. And finally, the government botanical garden. Spread across 50 acres in the heart of Ooty, this beautifully maintained garden is home to thousands of plant species, vibrant flower beds, and lush green lawns. After exploring hills, lakes, and forests, this is the perfect place to slow down and simply enjoy the beauty around. From city lights to silent hills, Ooty stays with you long after you leave.